Hi everyone. So the next recipe that I'm going to be showing you how to make are chocolate banana muffins. Now I've actually never made this one before, so I'm interested to see how it's going to turn out. I absolutely love chocolate and banana cake, but I thought, well, I'm making a lemon drizzle cake, so I wanted to make something different. Loads of you are making banana bread at home at the moment, so I thought let's mix it up and do a chocolate and banana muffin. Now obviously you've got all the ingredients and everything that you need, but I was actually thinking that if you have leftover chocolate from Easter, you could actually melt some of that down and use it instead of cocoa powder if you don't have any cocoa powder at home, or you could just chop it up into pieces and add it in like as an extra kind of chocolate chunk on top of the cocoa if you want them to be more chocolatey. I don't think there would be any harm in doing that. So you need to get your baking tray ready with your cases, just paper cases is fine, or if you've got the silicone cases at home, then that's great. And I'm going to show you how to make it now. Here we go.
Now I can't give you anything but love. Oh, baby, oh, that's the only thing I've plenty of. Oh, baby, dream of wild, scheme of wild, we're sure to find, baby, happiness. And I guess the best, gee, I'd like to see you looking swell, baby, baby. Oh, diamond bracelets, Woolworth doesn't sell, my pretty baby, butter. Till that lucky day, oh, you lucky day, you know darn well, oh, babe, I can't give you anything but love. I's a mugging boom, we's a mugging boom, I's a mugging boom, that boo bop do, I's a mugging boom, we's a mugging bang, I's a mugging boom, bebop do. Nobody knows just how it started. Somebody blew it through a horn. Somebody played it on the fiddle. Somebody sang it and a song was born. Now it's the craze, the new sensation. It's the song the bands all swing. Now it's the phrase that rocks the nation. Don't try to stop me 'cause I'm gonna sing. I's a muggin' boom, we's the muggin' bang. I's a muggin' boom, boo bop dee bop boo bop dee ho.
So once you've spooned all the mixture out of the bowl into your cupcake cases, into your muffin cases, sorry, you can pop them in your oven, which should be nice and hot at about 200 degrees. And they take about 15 or 20 minutes, and just like we did with our lemon drizzle cake, you can check to see if they're ready by popping a knife through the middle, and if the knife comes out clean, then you know that they're ready to go, and they're good to eat. So you just saw then I just used 2 spoons to get the mixture into the cases, and then so I did about a spoonful each, like a dollop each into each case, and then I went back round and did a bit more, and then just had a look and saw at the end which ones looked like they needed a little bit more, and that's all you need to do. So it's really simple, really easy, and I'm hoping that these are going to be as delicious, they're going to taste as delicious as they smell, because they smell super tasty at the moment. So I will see you back in 20 minutes. Wish me luck. Okay, so I've just taken them out of the oven. They did take about 20 minutes. They smell amazing. You can see, sorry, excuse my knife. You can see like the bits of banana oozing out, which just look really, really good. So I'm going to give one a poke and see if we think they are done now. Let's have a look at that. What do we think? Oh yeah, and that looks delicious. So I'm going to leave them in there to cool down for a little bit, and then when they've cooled, I'm going to pop them onto a wire rack to cool completely, and then they're all yours, ready to eat. Enjoy. What do you think of the cake?
Yummy.
Is it yummy? Is it delicious?
Yeah.
Does it get a thumbs up?